guys, it's Tanushree. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this look right here, which is perfect for the upcoming festival Raksha Bandhan. This kind of simple and quick makeup that I prefer for festivals. Nothing over the top and it gets done very quickly. So without any further ado, let's get started. A good makeup always needs a good prep work. So let's do some good prep work. So I'm going to start with the cleanser. This one is from Ayur. Now I'm going to be using Biotic Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. This scrub helps in unclogging the pores and exfoliating dead skin to make you look refreshed all day long. It also helps in brightening the skin tone. For toning, I'm going to be using this toner. This one is from A1. Okay, now I'm jumping to the next step. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using this one. This one is from Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin type. Now I'm using this lip balm. This one is from Maybelline in the shade name Melon. My skin is little dry, so I'm going to be using this oil. This one is from Indulgio Rose Gold Oil. You can skip this part according to your skin type. Okay, see, it's a day makeup, so you need to apply any sunscreen or any day cream with SPF. I'm using this day cream. This one is from Plum with SPF 30, and I'm using this grapeseed and sea buckthorn for my skin type. For primer, I'm going to be using Sugar, the best of glory pore minimizing primer. To get flawless skin, I'm going to be using this orange color corrector. This one is from LA Girl, and I'm going to blend it out with my finger. That's the fastest and easiest way because our bodies are so warm and the warmth melts the products. So that helps to blend everything so seamlessly and it looks flawless. This step is totally optional. If your skin is flawless, then you can jump straight to the foundation. Now I'm going to be setting this concealer with loose powder, so just it doesn't mix with the foundation. Powder I'm using is from Maybelline. All you just need a very little amount of powder. You just need to dust it so the product absorbs the powder and set. For foundation, today I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm going to customize my foundation using two shades, light and dark. To brighten up my highlighted areas, I'm going to be using this concealer. This one is from LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade name Pure Beige. To set this everything, I'm going to be using this loose powder. This one is from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it with a powder puff. For contouring, I'm going to be using this contouring palette. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'm going to apply very minimum product for this look. Now it's time for blush on. This one is from Avon. I'm using this highlighter for highlighting. This one is from Wet n Wild. You can also skip this part. You can also skip highlighting, or you can also use little amount of product. Oops, if this happens to you, then blend it with your beauty blender. It will diffuse the intensity. For the brows, I'm going to be using this brow pencil. This one is from Wet n Wild. The quickest way to fill the brows is using an eye pencil. I'm just feeling the sparse areas, and I'm going to spread the color across evenly with the help of this spoolie. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this palette. This one is from Wet n Wild. To keep my makeup simple, all I'm going to apply a very light color. For kajal and liner, I'm going to be using this colossal kajal. This one is from Maybelline. I'm dipping my brush into a dark eyeshadow to diffuse the intensity of kajal. I'm going to smudge this out only in the outer corner to create that smoky effect. Before applying any mascara, first I'm going to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using this volume mascara. This one is from Maybelline. It's a day makeup, so I'm not going to be using any falsies. And I would suggest you to apply mascara single or double coat. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using this pink lip crayon, but I forgot the brand. To set my entire look, I'm going to be using this setting spray. This one is from Sugar. This is a matte setting spray, so it will give you a matte look. To make my lipstick a little glossy, I'm going to be using this lip gloss. So that finishes up the makeup. Just something very simple and fresh. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more future updates. Happy Raksha Bandhan, guys. Happy Rakhi. I'm gonna see you in my next videos. Till then, bye guys.